Welcome to Mum Core channel with easy recipes and big flavors. Get ready, because today I'm going to share my delicious recipe for fried pork chops. Here are the ingredients. Pork chop, garlic, lemon pepper, garlic powder, Italian seasoning optional, whole black pepper, black pepper powder, apple cider vinegar, soy sauce. Place the 2 pounds of pork chops in a large container. Season with lemon pepper. Then add garlic powder, black pepper powder, whole black pepper, you can optionally add Italian seasoning. Then add 8 cloves of minced garlic. Pour 1/4 cup of apple cider vinegar. Then 1/4 cup of soy sauce. Mix thoroughly to combine the marinade ingredients with the pork chops. And marinate for at least 1 hour, or overnight if you have more time. After marinating, heat 3 cups of canola oil in a pan over medium heat. Once the oil is hot, carefully place the pork chops in the pan. Fry each pork chop for 4 to 5 minutes on each side, or until golden brown. Continue frying all the pork chops until they are cooked through and golden brown. Remove the pork chops from the pan, allow them to drain on paper towels, and serve hot. Enjoy! If you found this recipe easy to follow, hit that like button. Subscribe and turn on notification. Don't forget to leave a comment below. Check out all of my social media accounts. Thanks for watching.